Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. I have a Michael's Yarn Haul. Alright, how are you all doing? I hope you're all well. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. We had hot weather. I mean, it was so hot. Oh my goodness. 37, I think, which is around 98 Fahrenheit. We had a breeze, but it was like a furnace blowing on you. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright. Let's get into this haul. Alright, so hubby was going out to Canadian Tire to pick up a few things, and I thought, well, you know, might as well get him to drop me off at Michael's. I saw they had their Eco Brights loops and threads online on sale for $2.99. Now they're regular $9.99 here in Canada. So I thought, well, I'm just gonna see. Because sometimes I don't trust their website. Well, the sign said $4. I'm like, no. Online they showed $2.99. I got the guy to scan them. They came up at $3, so 1 cent more. That's fine with me. All right, so the Eco Brights are a loops and threads brand, which is a Michael's brand. Limited time only, made from recycled plastic, 150 grams, 255 yards. It says hand wash cold, do not bleach, dry flat, do not iron, do not dry clean. And it's the recycled plastic is 100% recycled polyester, and it's a bulky 5. And I guess it is. It looks a little bigger than a 4, right? I think I can work with it. They recommend a 9mm crochet hook or I think that says 8mm. Well, let me look at this one. 8mm knitting needle, yes. And this colorway is magenta? Yes, magenta. Pretty pink, so I got 4. Yeah, so 255 yards times 4. So yeah. And then I also got 4 in the red, which is actually called red. So it shows up brighter there. It's darker than what I see on my screen. It's not a real dark red, but I guess medium dark red. So yes, 4 of those. Have you ever made anything with this Eco Brights? Like, they're squishy, they're soft. I'm thinking a wearable. I love making wearables. So 4 of those, 4 of the red, 4 of the pink, and then I also saw the hipster cotton online. They were showing my Michaels at, and this is the St. James Michael in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. They showed the hipster cotton, that they had it in stock. I believe they showed it at the $9.99, and I went there and could not find it in the yarn section. So I asked the guy that was working in the yarn section where to find this. He looked online and discovered it was at the front of the store on an end cap. Why at the front of the store? I don't know, but that's where it was. But it was my lucky day because it was not $9.99. They had a big sign, $5.99. Oh, yes. So I got 5. All right, let me tell you the stats. Premier Hipster Cotton, limited time only. It's a 100-gram ball, 229 yards, 100% cotton. And this colorway is Melon Berry. It's a lightweight 3. Recommended hook is 5mm. Recommended needles is 4mm. Look at those gorgeous colors. There's shades of kind of a pinky purple, and there's purple shades, and there's like this orangey color in there, which I think will just pop when you make something with it. There's some, looks like, that looks like whitish to me, whitish, grayish, I don't know, maybe purplish whitish. Oh, sometimes it's hard to tell in certain lighting, but yes, I just love these different shades of purple in there. I actually love that it has this orange pop. I think that's going to look really cool, especially in a wearable or maybe or anything you make with it. I think it's gorgeous. So the colorway I think I told you is Melonberry, and I got 5. There was another color I wanted, but they didn't have enough. I can't remember the colorway. But anyway, doesn't matter. I didn't get it. So I just got 5 of the same colorway. Going to make a wearable. Yeah. So what have you guys made? Have you guys bought any of this? It is not the softest cotton, but it is soft. It is soft. It would make a good wearable, I would think. And I'm just so glad it was on sale for $5.99 instead of the $9.99. I don't think I would have paid the $9.99. I really don't. So that's my Michaels haul, and I think I'm gonna. I know I'm gonna enjoy working with these yarns. I just know I am. So, what else is going on? Hashtag Christmas in July Fairies is going on. So make sure you try to enter on all the channels that are participating in this. It will give you more of a chance to win. Semifinals will be drawn July 15th. Grand prize winner will be drawn July 25th. I'm so excited. I'm involved as a fairy. And I was involved last year, and we're going to do this again next year. Yes, we are. So, what I discovered yesterday, and I'm going to link Dana. She's the founder of this giveaway, Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. Hi, Dana, and Dooley, her puppy Dooley. Oh, I love him. I love her too. But what I discovered yesterday, she had made a post. The U.S. government recognized hashtag Christmas in July Fairies as its own entity, which means no one else can use that name. No one can use that hashtag for giveaways that they may have. Only the fairies can. It's like a trademark. So if someone tries to use it for their own giveaway that's different from our fairy giveaways, they will be asked to kindly remove it, and if they don't, there'll be other actions taken. So yeah, I'm excited that the U.S. government has recognized this fairy giveaway as its own entity. The hashtag is its own entity, like a trademark. Dana, I'm so excited for you. I'm excited for all the fairies that are participating in this. I have goosebumps. It's such a wonderful thing that's happened, and yeah, oh, just wonderful. All right, so what else is coming up on this channel? Well, I am working on a tutorial. What are you guys working on? Yeah, it's going to be another cutesy design. Apparently I'm doing a series of cutesy designs. I've done the cutesy top, the cutesy sundress. Now there's going to be a cutesy something else, which you'll have to wait for. I was hoping to have that tutorial out this week, but it probably won't be till next week. Yeah, and then I'll be doing my birthday giveaway, my mom and my birthday combined. My mom is in heaven. So that will be in November. and there'll be 3 winners. There's a collaboration that myself and another YouTuber are going to be doing in August, and I'm excited about that. I'm excited about everything. So, all right, thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Enjoy your weather. If it's nice, it's calm, cooled down, I should say, here in Winnipeg. It was so hot on the weekend. It was just scorcher. Yeah, but it's cooled down, but it's still hot in my house. Anyway, you guys take care, and thank you so much for being here. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to everyone who's been with me for the last 2 years. It'll be 2 years in September that I've been on here, and I am loving every minute of it. I love all you guys. You leave such amazing comments that inspire me and encourage me, and I had no idea it was like this crafting community, not just yarny people, but paper crafting. All you guys are amazing, and just amazing. Okay. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.